Gentlemen, listen up right now. Imagine this. You're texting her or you're standing right there in front of her and with one single word, just one simple nickname, her whole face lights up, her eyes soften, that genuine smile spreads across her lips, and suddenly she's leaning in a little closer, feeling seen, adored, and completely drawn to you. No games, no desperate chasing, just pure instant feminine warmth flowing back your way. But here's the brutal truth most men never understand. The moment you become predictable, needy, or always available, that magic dies. She stops smiling that real smile. The spark fades, and the more you push, the faster she pulls away. So today I'm giving you the 9 cute nicknames women secretly love. The ones that make her heart flutter and her guard drop instantly. But I'm also handing you the most powerful move of all. Just disappear. Watch what happens. Because when you master both the warmth and the withdrawal, you stop being an option and become the man she can't stop thinking about. Let's dive in, gentlemen. These aren't childish pet names. These are emotional triggers rooted deep in feminine psychology. They make her feel safe, desired, beautiful, and playfully claimed all at once. Number 1, pretty lady. Say it with that deep, calm confidence when you greet her. Not, hey, pretty, but there's my pretty lady. It's respectful yet intimate. It tells her you see her elegance, not just her looks. She'll smile because it makes her feel classy and cherished in a world that often treats women like objects. Number 2, princess or my queen. Use it sparingly with a teasing smirk. Women secretly crave that royal treatment because it awakens her feminine energy. It says you're the king who puts her on a pedestal without losing your own frame. Watch her blush and playfully roll her eyes while secretly loving every second. Number 3, gorgeous. Simple but deadly effective when delivered low and slow, not every 5 minutes. That kills the power. Drop it at the perfect moment, like when she least expects it. Damn gorgeous. You really have no idea what you do to me. Instant smile, instant connection. Number 4, babe or baby. Classic for a reason. It creates instant closeness and warmth. When she's stressed or tired, come here, baby, melts her defenses. It makes her feel protected, like she can let her guard down and just be soft with you. Number 5, cutie, perfect for playful moments. It brings out her inner little girl energy in the best way. Say it when she does something adorable. You're such a cutie, you know. That, she'll giggle, swat your arm, and feel that light, joyful attraction bubbling up. Number 6, sunshine. If her energy lights up your day, let her know. Good morning, sunshine. It positions you as the man who notices her positive glow. Women love this because it makes them feel like they bring light into your world, and they'll want to keep doing it for you. Number 7, angel. Use this when she shows kindness or vulnerability. My angel. It speaks to her nurturing side and makes her feel almost heavenly in your eyes. Deep. Emotional pull. Number 8, sweetheart. Timeless and sincere. It carries care and affection. In a serious moment, listen, sweetheart, grounds her and makes her feel truly valued. Number 9, personalized ones based on your shared moments. My little troublemaker, dream girl or something. Only the two of you understand. These hit hardest because they prove you're paying attention. She feels uniquely seen. Now here's where most men destroy everything they just built. They use these nicknames, get that beautiful smile, and then they overdo it. They text all day. They double text when she takes hours to reply. They become emotional addicts waiting for her validation. And just like that, the attraction evaporates. This is where the real power comes in, gentlemen. Just disappear. After you drop one of those nicknames and feel that spark pull back, don't flood her phone. Don't chase the next hit of her attention. Go live. Your life with purpose. Hit the gym, build your money, chase your mission. Let her sit with the memory of how you made her feel. Let the silence do the heavy lifting, because here's what happens when you disappear the right way. Her mind starts working overtime. She wonders where you went. She replays your voice saying, pretty lady, or baby. She starts missing that feeling only you gave her. The absence creates space for her to invest. Suddenly, she's the one reaching out. She's the one smiling at her phone, wondering when she'll hear from you again. This isn't manipulation. This is masculine polarity. Women are wired to respond to strength, mystery, and emotional leadership. When you give warmth and then step back into your own powerful world, you become addictive. She feels the high of your attention and the ache of its absence. And that combination creates real desire, not just temporary flattery. But listen closely. Disappearing only works if you've already built real value in yourself. If you're still insecure, needy, or directionless, pulling away just looks like sulking or playing games. Do the inner work first. Become the man who doesn't need her validation to feel whole. Then these nicknames become genuine expressions of your confidence, not desperate attempts to keep her. Gentleman attraction isn't about being the nicest guy or the funniest clown. It's about creating an emotional experience she can't get anywhere else. The right nickname at the right moment opens her heart. Strategic disappearance makes her chase that feeling back to you. So start today, pick one nickname, use it with calm, unshakable confidence. Then go become obsessed with your own growth. Watch how she starts lighting up differently. Watch how her texts change. Watch how she begins investing in you because you finally stopped over-investing in her. You were never meant to beg for her smile. You were meant to become the man whose presence and whose thoughtful absence makes that smile inevitable. Now go out there and lead. Become undeniable. The women who are meant for you will feel it. They'll smile instantly. And when you disappear into your purpose, they'll be right. They're waiting when you return because a high value man who knows how to trigger her emotions and then hold his own frame is the rarest, most magnetic thing she'll ever experience. Stay strong, stay focused, and remember, the power was never in chasing her reactions. It was always in becoming the man who naturally creates them. You've got this, gentleman. Now make it happen.